channel and welcome back to a brand new video. So today's video I have a really exciting one and one that I've never done on my channel before. So we have a Cosmetips unboxing video. So if you haven't heard of Cosmetips, they are basically a brand that put together these luxurious boxes in collaboration with influencers and YouTubers, and I've actually got my hands on one, so I was super excited to show you guys. I thought we could do an unboxing video together just to show you this collaboration. So if you're excited for this video, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe if you're new here. I'd absolutely love if you get notified whenever I post new videos. So without further ado, let's get into this unboxing video and showing you all the goodies. And yeah, I'm super excited for today's video and I hope you are too. Okay, so first things first is to show you the box and who it's in collaboration with, which you probably would have told by the title. So this is the box, and as you can tell, it is in collaboration with Isabel Bedoya, and oh my god, I've been an absolute fan of hers for years, and she is a self-taught makeup artist and a YouTuber here on YouTube, and the box is actually stunning. They get to design the box. It would be an absolute dream if I could work with Cosmetips myself. Like, just imagine, guys, like, oh my god, that would just be an absolute dream. So like I said, they create luxury boxes and have loads of products in there, and this box was worth £240, but I got it for 55. At the moment it is still on the website and it is still available, but by the time this video goes up I'm not too sure. But yeah, have a look and definitely grab yourself a bargain. They've got so many beautiful products in here that I've seen already on the website, but I'm still excited to go through them with you. So let's get into this box. Okay, so opening the lid and taking that off. So in here first we have a cute little pamphlet, which let's have a look through that first. So it says Cosmetips x Isabel Bedoya, and I'm thinking it just has all the products in there. So I won't show you what's in this little booklet because I do want to go through the products with you myself, but that is so cute that they put all the description of the products in there for you. Okay, so let's open this box and let's open it together. Oh, there's another seal underneath, but eventually you get to the products. So here is the first glance of all the products, and I can't wait to go through them with you. So getting straight into this unboxing video, the first thing I had to pick up was definitely a skincare product. You know how much I love skincare. So this is the Murad Prebiotic 4-in-1 Multi Cleanser, a product that I've actually never used before. I've got the pamphlet here because it actually is really helpful for hearing her thoughts on the product and why she's including it in her box with Cosmetips. So this is a product that actually cost £38 originally. So it is a gel to oil makeup removing cleanser that nourishes the skin while removing excess dirt and oil, but it's non-drying formula. So she's put herself in quotations, the Murad cleansers leave your skin feeling fresh and so clean. This 4-in-1 cleanser does it all and easily removes heavy makeup. So oh my god, that sounds like an absolute dream to me right now. So I'm really excited to use this, and it was £38 for this product. I've actually never tried anything from Murad before, so I'm really excited to try this out. So let's see what it actually looks like inside. Okay, so this is what it looks out of its packaging. It looks really nice and sleek. Like I said, I've never tried any Murad skincare products, so I'm really excited to see how I got on with this. You know, I'll give you my opinion on it. So it's meant to be used AM and PM, massage 2 pumps over a wet or dry face. If applied to dry skin or wet on hands, and continue to massage. Basically avoid getting it into the eyes, and it is dermatologist developed. So yeah, that sounds really good. So yeah, this was £38 and it's basically over half what I paid for the box already, and Isabel said it's really good for taking off heavy makeup. That is literally a dream. So I'm really excited to use this, and of course I'll let you know my thoughts, but that looks absolutely amazing already. You know, I'm a skincare junkie, so I'm really happy that she's actually included this. Next up we have the Anastasia Beverly Hills loose highlighter in the shade Vegas. I'm actually in awe that this was in this box, and Isabel says the most blinding highlight. Get ready to glow with this product. It's lit. Such a beautiful highlighter, leaves you glowing from every single angle, and I have been just dying over seeing this in this box. This is actually £25. It's always one of those products that you never actually put in to your basket yourself, but I've always wanted it and I'm absolutely just obsessed. So I'm going to go ahead and open it and have a little look-see. Oh my god, the packaging is actually unreal as well. I'm so excited to use this product. Obviously it's sealed. Oh my god, it actually looks unreal. I'm super excited that this is in this box, and oh my god, it's just a loose highlighter. You know I'm a highlighter gal. I love highlighters, so I'm absolutely thrilled, like over the moon that this was in this box. So me and Isabel have something in common. We both love a highlighted look, so I'm super excited that this was in this box. This was £25 as well, so basically over what you paid for it already. So it's super worth it. If it is available, I'd definitely recommend to get it. Just from these two products, I'm absolutely obsessed. So yeah, this is the next product. It's the Anastasia Beverly Hills Loose Highlighter. Next up, yet another exciting little add to the box so far. We have the Lily Lashes in Mykonos, and oh my god, these are £30, and she says, if you know me, you know that I love Lily lashes and they're my go-to lashes. They had to be included. These lashes are popping. They're the perfect statement piece. And can I just tell you something? I've actually never tried Lily lashes before that I'm aware of. I think I've tried the iconic ones like absolutely ages ago, but not the proper Lily lashes. And oh my god, I'm super excited to try these out. They look so gorgeous already. They just look so fluffy. Let me take out the packaging so it doesn't blind the camera and you can actually look at how fluffy they are. So I've just taken out the packaging just so you can see a little bit closer. So they are super fluffy. I'm so excited to use them. Super excited to try these. I don't even know if I've actually tried Lily lashes properly. I can remember trying ones that were like called iconic, but I'm not sure if they were Lily lashes. But these are the proper Lily lashes packaging. I'm super excited to try these out, and these are worth £30. So again, another steal just by buying this box and all the stuff that you can get in there. So I'm super excited to try these. They are just so stunning. Okay guys, this box just went from 0 to 100. We have a palette. Oh my god. So this is the Dominique Cosmetics Latte 2 palette. So Isabel's written here, the neutrals in this palette are to die for, not to mention the little pops of colours in this palette I love so much. The pigmentation of Dominique Cosmetics palettes are next level. Again, another brand that I've never actually tried before, and this palette is £40. So let's go ahead and have a little look-see in here. Okay, so let's look at this palette in here. Okay, oh my god, I'm absolutely obsessed already. We've got three gorgeous nudes and browns. We've got a really nice like yellowy colour. We've got a popping orange, popping green, popping peachy colour. So that's a deep peach. And then we've got three gorgeous shimmers in there. Oh my god, I'm super happy with that palette. So that is the Latte 2 by Dominique Cosmetics. And again, this palette is worth £40, so a super good choice. Super happy with this box already. Okay, so next up, another product I'm absolutely dying for that she's chosen to include in this box. This is the Tatcha, the Silk Canvas. This is worth £42, and I am absolutely dying. I've never actually tried Tatcha skincare and just their makeup products as well, and oh my god, I'm absolutely over the moon. So she says the Silk Canvas is the most perfect primer. It leaves your face feeling silky smooth and makes your makeup application flawless. And oh my god, I'm super excited for this product. So let's open it up. So can I just say, packaging already, oh my god. Oh my god, it actually comes in like a plastic thing that you have to rip open as well. Honestly, this product is an actual joke if you haven't got the box already. It comes with its own spatula, and oh my god, the Silk Canvas, I've been dying to try it. So on the back it has some really interesting facts as well. So it says it blurs the look of pores, fine lines and uneven skin tone, primes with silk powder for long lasting flawless makeup, protects the skin from makeup and pollution, colour corrects, and is anti-aging with Japanese superfoods to help restore the look of youthful radiance. Oh my god, I'm absolutely psyched. Like, this is just an absolute dream. It says filter finish and protective primer. Oh my god, like, so many people have been raving about Tatcha skincare, and I actually haven't tried anything before. So I'm just so over the moon that she's actually included this in her box. I'm just dying already, and I can't wait to use it and test it out. And the packaging is absolutely flawless. And before I forget, this is £42 for this flawless product from Tatcha. Okay, next up, getting more interesting. This is the Farsali Rose Gold Elixir. I don't know if anyone can remember this floating around Instagram for the longest time and everyone raving about it. So she says not only is this the most bougie moisturizer with the gold flakes, it's also amazing at hydrating your skin and leaving it feeling silky soft. Also ready for makeup application. This has been one of my ride or die products for absolute years. So this is worth £50, this product. Like I said, I've seen it floating around Instagram for the longest time, so let's have a look and see what the hype's about. So this is the product out of its packaging, and I'm pretty sure this is how I found out about Isabel, because she always used to do amazing Instagram like videos with this product. Oh my god, it does have rose gold flakes in it. It looks absolutely insane. So like I said, this is £50 for this rose gold elixir. I'm guessing because it's the gold in there. But yeah, definitely a more high-end product, and like I said, I saw this go around Instagram so much. She said it's the most amazing hydrating product that she's ever used, and it's her ride or die. So it's good enough for Isabel, and it's good enough for me. I hope I don't have to repurchase it all the time if I fall in love with it, because that'll be expensive. Like, this is already £50. So you can see how all the products add up. But yeah, this is the product, and I'm super excited to use this, you know. Super excited to see how it works and how it makes my skin look flawless. Okay, so now this has to be the most exciting product in this box now. So this is a Michael Todd Beauty Sonic Brush Pro. So Isabel said this product is amazing at blending out my foundation. It gives the skin a natural finish, and it's great as it does all the work for you. No more being frustrated with blending again. So this is worth £65 for this Sonic Blend Pro. So it's an antimicrobial Sonic makeup brush. I have no idea how to say that. It's an award-winning official show pick 2018, a 3D floor filling technology. Wow, that sounds absolutely incredible. Can't wait to open that. Okay, so I feel like this is one of those moments where it's like, this is what I ordered versus this is what I got. I think this is the packaging, but it looks so funny. Wow, okay, so that's what you get inside. Wow, look at that thing. That's incredible. Oh my god, it's actually on as well. Oh my god, let's... Wow. Oh my god, that's actually so soft. Oh no, I'm getting makeup on it. Oh my god, it actually goes up in vibration. That is so funny. Okay, so this is what it looks like. So it's basically a sonic blending brush, and it has 3 settings. So we have setting 1, setting 2, and then setting 3 is like a bobbing motion. So this is supposed to be like, oh my god, I have to turn it off, that sounds so funny. But this is meant to be like your beauty blender. So this is super soft. I've already got makeup on it, but it looks really cool. Like, I've actually never owned something like this before. It's actually unreal. So I'm excited to see how this works and the different settings. I can't take myself seriously. So this is £65. That is just an amazing product to include. A sonic blending brush. That is just absolutely amazing, and I'm excited to use that, see if it works, see if it actually makes my face look flawless. So yeah, I'm really chuffed that she's actually included that. She's actually included like an array of stuff, and it's so amazing that she's put all these products together. So I'm super happy with absolutely everything. And it comes with that little container, so it's super handy, and to keep it nice and safe. So love that. £65 as well. So that is everything in the Cosmetips x Isabel Bedoya box, and if you haven't already got your hands on this box and it's still available, get it. It is £55 for £240 worth of products. All the products I've just showed you for £55. That is an absolute steal, and I'm absolutely obsessed with everything in this box. I am just so amazed that I actually got my hands on this box. I'm so happy with all the products included in it as well. I am absolutely a fan of Isabel Bedoya, and her box is absolutely amazing. So I do hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing unboxing with me and just seeing everything in this box. And if you missed out then, I'm so sorry, but I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. And I have mentioned over on my Instagram that I will be holding another giveaway very soon, so if you aren't already, follow me over there on Instagram. I think it's going to be an Instagram only giveaway. But thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe, and hopefully I'll see you in my next video. Bye everyone.